KMRSounds.
Yeah. Hey. I didn't know. Damn.
So sensitive.
Damn. Your agenda, you ain't a real one, you's a pretender. See, this ain't about gender, this ain't but a fender bender. So why you acting all tender, acting like Karen, Sharon or Linda? Facts over feelings, your feelings, we ain't the villains. And this ain't a drill, gotta keep it real, how you feel. O'Shea ain't bootleg, O'Shea get the ass whoop. O'Shea off the Jose, with your getting cozy. So stop being nosy, that's life, ain't no rose.
So sensitive.
But I got no to give, not one.
So sensitive.
What? They used to call these words. So what the trigger words? Words like his and hers. What's a pronoun and a verb? Follow this, then you follow back. Then you swallow this and swallow that. Then you go have a heart attack. And don't blame it on the facts. I put it on wax. Some blacks hate when you talk about facts. But you could talk about racks, you could talk about twerking, but not working. Everything ain't urban, just like this whip that I'm swerving. So here's what I should know. Don't be so emotional.
So sensitive.
But I got no to give, not one.
So sensitive.
Say man, don't be a all your life. Be a sometimes and get hard.
So sensitive.
Yeah. Why you acting like that, man? Acting all
So sensitive.
You ain't supposed to be acting like that, man. All in your feelings.
So sensitive.
But I got no to give, not one.